Alright guys, so the Max Coat wheel guard made by Chemical Guys is kind of a creamy paste that you apply to the wheels using the microfiber applicator. And what this product does is it evenly coats the wheel and you remove it using a microfiber towel. And what it does is it coats, glosses, makes it easier to remove the brake dust. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to do half the wheel on our work truck. This half here, I took photos, so we're going to use the tire size and information as our point of remembering what side we did the wheel. This side we're not going to coat, this side we're going to coat. This is the rear wheel, so when you use this product, you just dip it in, get a nice little bit onto your microfiber towel, and you just evenly rub it in. Hopefully the rain isn't going to affect the video or the camera, but it is what it is. We live in the Pacific Northwest where it rains. So these guys, these tires or wheels, these wheels were washed using the Sonic's wheel cleaner and Adam's wheel cleaner. Okay, let's move on to the front wheel and we'll do half of that wheel as well. Alright guys, same as the back wheel, we're going to do this half of the wheel where the weight is, and then this half here we'll leave untreated. Same thing, we're going to dip the microfiber applicator in the paste and we'll just apply it to the wheel, nice and easy. It applies evenly. Now this is a work truck, does about 50,000 miles a year through the mud, through the desert, through the woods, through everything you can think of. So what we'll do is we're gonna, after we coat these and treat them, we'll come back and revisit the wheels in like December. It's November 7th right now. But we'll come back and we will see how well we can wash the brake dust off and see how well it's repelled the winter grime on the roads. Now guys, as always, links are in the description below for all the product in my videos. With the Maxi Coat, you need to make sure that your wheels are nice and clean. You need to give it about 15 minutes for it to set up, and you simply wipe it off with the microfiber towel. I believe this costed right about, I remember 20 bucks I think. But it does give it a little bit of protection on your rims, and it's supposed to give a higher shine. So we'll see when we remove the tape if there's any noticeable difference. I'm sure there is if you have actual wheels that are taken care of, right? Like most of you enthusiasts take care of your rims. In a work truck, I'm just mobbing through a foot of snow, mud, doing whatever I gotta do to get to the job site. So, all right, let's let this sit for 15 and we'll be back. All right, guys, it's been about 15 minutes. The paste has been on the rims. Hopefully the rain didn't affect it too much, but we're gonna go ahead and remove the paste using a standard microfiber towel. So this paste comes off really super easy. I put probably a little too much on the rim, but I was kind of in a rush because it started raining. But it came off nice and easy. Don't notice the wheel any cleaner, but it also doesn't say it's a cleaner. I thought maybe the extra rubbing on the rims would have helped remove some of that really deep down brake dust gunk. But it came off super easy. Alright guys, that's the rear. Let's go do the front. Alright, so we're at the front wheel. Let's go ahead and get this rubbed off. These front wheels are pretty trashed, but it will be a good little test. This paste, we'll come back in, like I said, about 30 days or so. Alright, well, it's all off, so let's go and peel the tape. Alright.